Two productivity giants face off. Which one actually helps you get things done? On one side, we have Asana, trusted by teams for its flexibility and intuitive design, and on the other, Microsoft Planner, seamlessly integrated into Office 365 for ultimate convenience. We're putting them through real-world tests that matter to you. Task management, collaboration, integration, pricing, and more. Forget the marketing jargon. Let's see how they perform in day-to-day work. Each feature wins points. At the end, you'll know exactly which tool comes out on top. And the winner might surprise you which tool comes out on top. And the winner might surprise you. Let's dive right in. So, here's our roadmap. We're breaking things down across 5 big categories: price, features, integrations, user experience, and yeah, that all-important ecosystem. Buckle up, let's play matchmaker for your workflows. Let's kick things off with price. Now, on the surface, Microsoft Planner feels like a no-brainer because, well, if you're already paying for Microsoft 365, boom, it's included. No extra charge for most business users, which, honestly, that's huge. Meanwhile, Asana has a free tier, which is cool, plus they throw in discounts for nonprofits, a nice touch. The catch? As soon as you want anything, like a bit more advanced, you're going to start paying extra, especially for integrations. Still, for most businesses, Planner has the edge on value since it's bundled with stuff you might already use. Moving on to features, this is where things get spicy. Asana goes all out. We're talking custom workflows, some wild reporting and timeline views, and a bunch of advanced automation options. If you want to get into the nitty-gritty of managing your projects, this is your candy store. Planner keeps it simple, Kanban board, super basic task tracking, but not much else. So if you just want a checklist of moving cards, it works, but that's kind of it. Honestly, Asana wins here, hands down. Okay, integrations. Honestly, this one gets me excited because I love it when my tools talk to each other. Asana? Oh, it plays nice with almost everything. Slack, Google Workspace, Zapier, you name it. It's like the social butterfly of project management. Some integrations, yeah, you gotta pony up for premium, but still, the ecosystem is massive. Now, Planner? It's all about Microsoft Teams, Outlook, and the rest of the 365 crew. If you're living in Microsoft world, this is perfect. Outside of that though, feels kinda locked down. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Asana was actually co-founded by Dustin Moskovitz. Yep, the same guy who helped start Facebook. Wild, right? Let's chat user experience. Asana is just fun. It's modern, colorful, there's so much to do with those timeline views, and the mobile apps are surprisingly solid. But, if you want the super advanced features, there's a little learning curve, just a heads up. Microsoft Planner is way more stripped back. It's clean, simple, and really familiar if you already hang out in Microsoft apps. No real bells and whistles though, so it's not exactly thrilling. Lastly, the ecosystem bit. And okay, I have to give this round to Planner. If your company lives and breathes in Microsoft 365, Planner just fits right in. Single sign-on, shared calendars, all your files under one roof. It's seamless. Asana is more open, works with loads of third-party stuff, but it doesn't have that super tight native vibe if you're deep into Microsoft territory. But if you're not in that ecosystem, Planner starts to feel a little, I don't know, boxed in. So if you look at the scores, there's kind of a tug of war going on. Planner takes the lead on price and integration with the Microsoft ecosystem, but Asana really shines when it comes to features, integrations, and overall user experience. Here's my honest take. Asana is golden if you want super flexible, customizable project management, fancy workflows, detailed reporting, all that good stuff. But if your team is already married to Microsoft 365 and just wants basic integrated task tracking, Planner is almost too easy to recommend. Still, overall, yeah, Asana edges ahead for versatility and depth. If you found this helpful, seriously, consider sticking around and hitting that follow button so you don't miss the next one.